In today's video, I am going to teach you how to close Google Chrome without closing the tabs. Guide by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser window is active so you can access the menu and settings. Next, move to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the 3 vertical dots. From there, click Open in a new tab. This can help keep the settings page separate from whatever you are currently viewing, making it easier to follow along without interrupting your current browser activity. Now in the drop-down menu, select Settings. Chrome will take you to the Settings area where you can control how the browser behaves when it starts, along with many other preferences. Once you are in Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does each time you launch it. In the On Startup section, select the option that says Continue where you left off. This is the key setting for keeping your tabs available after closing Chrome. When this option is enabled, Chrome will reopen your previously opened tabs and windows the next time you start the browser. After selecting it, the change is usually saved automatically, so you do not need to click a separate Save button. You can simply close the Settings tab when you are done. From now on, when you close Google Chrome, your tabs should be restored the next time you open it. This makes it much easier to pick up where you stopped, especially if you use Chrome for work, research, or everyday browsing. That covers everything you need to know.